Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about basic Linux commands which will really useful when you are in Linux environment. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first command is ls command. ls stands for list. List all files in the current directory. We can use some options with ls command. ls-a, represent all files include hidden files and directories in the listing. ls-l, known as a long format that displays detailed information about files and directories in the current directory. ls-al, displays detailed information about all files and directories include hidden files and directories in the listing. ls-t, sort files and directories by their last modification time, displaying the most recently modified ones first. ls-lt, displays detailed information about files and directories in the current directory, and sort those files and directories by their last modification time, displaying the most recently modified ones first. ls-ltr, displays detailed information about files and directories in the current directory, and sort those files and directories by their last modification time, and show them in reverse order. ls-lh, displays detailed information about files and directories in the current directory, and print file sizes in human-readable format. ls/directory name, list down all files and directories in the mentioned directory. Our next command is pwd. With this command you can see the full path name of the current directory. Next, we are going to explore the mkdir command. With this command, you can create a directory. You can create multiple directories by providing multiple names separated by spaces. To create a directory within another directory, we can use parent-child commands. -p option stands for parent and it allows you to create a directory hierarchy in one step. We can use -v option with mkdir command to print a message with every new file created. With our mdir command we can remove directories. Let's see how to create files. With touch command we can create files. We can also use the VI editor to create files. Simply use VI, filename.extension to create a file. If we run the vi command without specifying an extension, it will create a text file by default. The cat command reads files sequentially, presenting their contents on the terminal. With our M command we can remove the files that we created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.